All praise is due to Allah, and may Allah's peace and blessings be on the last messenger of Allah. Assalamu alaikum. I would like to welcome you to this thought about Islam. What is Islam? Islam, if we think about it, is the religion of Adam. It began with the creation of the first man. Because Allah creating a human being and leaving him in this world to find his own way would lead to chaos. The wisdom of God demands that a way of life, which we call a religion, be given to man. That way of life, that religion, was Islam. With Adam, the basic commandment which was given to him was to obey God. His worship of God involved not only addressing him, turning to him, seeking his help, it also involved obeying his instructions. The command not to eat from the tree was a command to submit to the wisdom and the right of God to determine human life and the course of human life. So Islam today is the culmination of the message which God has given human beings from the creation of the first man and woman. It is a way of life which guides human beings to what is best in their lives. Allah, God, who created human beings, knows what they need, knows what is harmful to them. And as such, he has identified the way of life which will bring what is best for him or her, human being, and protect them from what is harmful. And that is the essence of Islam. When we look into all of the various instructions, all the various commands and prohibitions, we see at the root of it guiding human beings to the best way of life and protecting them from the pitfalls and the traps of misguidance, deviance, and loss of one's way in this life so as to ruin what is to come in the next. So if it is guidance that you seek, and all human beings in their desire for contentment in this world will only find it through guidance. If they are left on their own to try to find contentment, they will not find it, because they will depend on the material things of this world. And reality is that the material things don't contain contentment. So if it is contentment that you seek, guidance will provide that contentment. And the only complete, divinely ordained system of guidance is Islam. So it is up to you. If you want it, it is there for you.